Today's day 7. Patient have followed the instruction from day 1 to day 7. Technique smart FUE. Harvesting done. Heal very well. And today day 7. You can see he already healed very well. This is exactly 2 weeks. The technique is smart FUE. We are very happy today. Patient have done a superb smart graft care. We can see all the grafted hair in place in the right angle, right direction. And you can see there is this area, the fountain temple area, already fill up according to the density, the angle, the direction. This is the forelock, this is the hairline, and this is the irregularity here. This is a partial shaving technique. This is a donor area exactly 2 weeks now. We can see the donor area already healed very well and looks homogeneous. This is the upper part. Today we're going to make this a slope so that this, the upper part and lower, it will match. He feel more better when he's going out to the public. So next, what are we going to expect? In 2 weeks to 3 months, all this grafted hair will shed. Then it will start to grow on the 3rd month, 4th month, 5th month, and the density will increase. On 9 months to a year, he will get an optimum growth whereby this hair is going to grow and it's going to match the existing hair. Then he's going to look good and his control level is going to increase.